Here we have the Range Rover Autobiography in Carpathian Grey. As you see, you have privacy glass, 21-inch alloys with a diamond turned finish, an electrically deployable tow bar, privacy glass, keyless entry. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have 10-inch rear seat entertainment, and executive rear class seating. Going into the front, you have Autobiography tread plates and an ebony leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you want to keep refreshments cold on long journeys. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient lighting, which looks quite cool, especially in the dark. You also have a rear view camera with a 360-degree option, sat nav, and other functions which can all be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. You also have cruise control, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which makes driving along the motorway safer and easier. You also have a heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, which are also massage with various different settings to choose from. You also have memory seats, which is ideal if there's several people driving the vehicle, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 8,223 miles, and you also have a digital TV. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was the Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 131. Thank you.